how to create a fitness apparel store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Shopify.com is a platform that allows you to create online stores easily with the options of just dragging and dropping the elements. So here, let's first show you how you can create your own account. So enter Shopify in another new tab, then click on the first link you will have, then you will proceed to starting your free trial by entering your email. In here, click on start free trial, then enter your email, then you will have everything set up for you. So after creating your account, you will go to this dashboard, which is your dashboard. It's where you can control everything about your online store. And here in your left, you have all of these buttons, which will allow you to make every change you like in your store. So here we have the home button, then we have the orders. It's where where you can check everything about your orders, your total orders, the ordered items over time, the returns, the fulfilled orders over time, the delivered orders, and all of those things. Then you have the products. It's where you can add new products or import products from the other stores. Then you have the customers. It's where you can see everything customers related in one place. Then here you have the content, the analytics, where you can check your data. So these analytics are very important. It's what will allow you to scale your business by reading your data, checking your total sales, checking your online store sessions, the online store conversion rate, your average order value, the total orders, and all of those data. Then you have the marketing and the discounts. Then we have the online sales, the online store, sorry, it's where you're going to check or where you're going to change your theme and how your online store is looking like. So here first, let's view our store. So this is my store, this is how it's looking like. I've chosen this theme because I like it more than the others, and it's also a free theme. So here I'm going to show you how you can choose your own theme. So just scroll down, click on visit the theme store. And here you will be able to browse all the themes and choose the one that you would like or the one that fits your requirements. So for example, if you're creating a fitness apparel store, you can check here or go to the industry, then choose sports and recreation as your own, as a filter to check the themes. So here we have this theme which is called Ride, it's free. Another one which costs $320. This one also costs $300, $360, $380. So here the only free theme that we have in this category is Ride. So here you can choose Ride, or you can just remove this filter. Remove the filter, then click on free to see all of the free themes. So here, if you'd like a theme, you will just need to click on the theme. For example, this one. Click on the theme, then scroll down, click on view demo store, and then you will be able to check if the theme fits your requirements or not. So here you can see the theme, and after you like it, then you will just need to click on try theme. So guys, after choosing your theme, then you will find it in the theme library. You will just need to click on publish in order to make it your current theme. And after you choose your theme, then click on customize to change this theme of yours. So here, why I like this platform so much is that it allows you to make every change you like very easily. So for example, you can change the announcement bar just by clicking on it. You will not even need to go here and search for the announcement bar. You will just need to click on whatever you would like to change. Then you will be able to find it in your left. So here in the announcement bar, I'm going to make this auto rotate announcements turned on. Then I'm going to change the time frame to 4 seconds. Then I'm going to go back, and here I'm going to change what's written in here. I'm going to go with free shipping to Europe, for example, to Europe, for example. Then I'm going to go back. I think I've written Europe wrong. I'm going to go with the US, free shipping to the US, United States, and here I'm going to add another announcement. Let's go with 50% off today only. And then it will be able to rotate every 4 seconds, as you can see, from 50% off today only to free shipping to the US. And after you're done with the announcement bar, then let's move on to the header. So here, let's place it in the middle left. Then let's go to the theme settings and click on logo. And here you can click on select image. If you already created a logo and you have it on your desktop, you want to upload it, or click on explore free images if you want to make a free image your own logo. So here, let's search for a fitness apparel store related image. So here, let's go with fitness and sports, and let's choose this one, for example, as our logo. And here, let's make it 100 pixels. I think that's enough, 100 pixels. Then you move on to the fav icon image, and the fav icon image is this one that you will have in the top. So you'll just need to change the sizes of your logo, then drop it again in here. And don't forget, when you're done with making all of your changes, click on save to save all of your changes. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.